In Anders Jensen Facebook group, UiPath RP Professionals, I found interesting question about extracting specific data from one form. So the data was the needed data was after of the post and the post content without all unnecessary information. Let me show you. So, and the question was to extract this and this. So I thought it will be interesting to automate this using a different approach, not classic, using data scraping, but something similar. So let's start. First of all, let's attach to the browser. I'm using attach browser activity to remove, better say, to don't. So I won't use full selectors, only partial. And don't forget to rename your activities. Extract data. So if you got a lot of activities with similar names, and if one of them fails, you could easily find which one. So next step, let's once again rename outer. Extract all posts. I will use find children to extract all posts from the page. So posts. So to do this, first of all, I will attach. Sorry, not attach. I will extract the main container. Will get all sub elements of the main container. Let me show you how it looks like. So as a selector, I will use this main part of the page because it contains all posts. Let's get okay. Oh, here it is. Okay, this post, this, and so on. Okay, here is the. Let's paste this selector, and important thing, we need to find a good filter. So this is our first post, and it has. Let's check how to find it. So this is a selector of this post. It has ID and div tag. So we will use it here. I will replace all those numbers with the asterisk. So this activity will extract only elements which have ID started with the post content. Let's change scope to find the sentence and assign output else. Next step, I will use for each activity to iterate through all those UI elements. So let's name it UI else UIL. Goes. Next, we need to change type argument to show you UiPath core UI elements. So we could easily work with the properties of UI element. Next step, extract author and content of the post. Once again, I will use find children to filter all those all all sub elements in this UI element. Post elements, let me call this. Okay. Instead of selector, I will be working with the UI element. So I will use this UIL as UI assign code sub UIL's scope. Yeah, must be in this sentence, and filter. I will use better say a common filter. It will in this case find children will extract all sub elements of this UI element. Okay. Next step. We'll use another for each sub UIL and sub UI elements. Once again, don't forget name your activities and change type argument cases when you need it. Okay, print author and content. First, we will print author, and to find the author, we will check all those elements of the post. So this is h1. Oh, okay. So this is. It will be enough for us to get a name of the author. Pass author, tag p, and inner text contains all needed information. So class author. So let's name it author, then print author. Okay, so sub UI element get a class and check if it equals to author, and if so, if condition met, let's print it. Author. But here's one interesting thing, because inner text, so here it is, which contains author of this post, contains a lot of unnecessary information, like this ASCII spaces, I think, and some by, date. I will use simple regex to print only author name. So here it is. Okay. This regular expression will extract data which is between by and this two right side arrows. Let's add another if and extract class. Oh, sorry, content of this post. Okay, this is author and this is content. Sorry. Okay, here we got another good class, and content of the post is stored in the AA name tag. So it will be easy for us to extract this data. Let's rename if class equals content, then print content. Okay. So your element get class, and if class equals content, then we'll print it. Print content, and here I will print content of the AA name tag, as you can see. Also, one more thing, I will use break just to show you how to break the sequence, the iteration, if we met our condition, because there is 2 more elements and I don't see, there is no sense to check them in this ifs. Okay, so print content and break. So let's launch the bot and see how it works. Outer content. As you can see, all works fine. Thanks for watching. Bye.